Hi, I'm Margaret. I've got a lovely cream cheese frosting for you today. It's one of my favourites. You can spread it or even pipe it. And unlike many cream cheese frostings, this one's beautifully buttery. It really couldn't be easier to make. The butter needs to be beautifully soft, but the first thing to do is to give it a good whisk to make it light and airy. It's worth spending a little time over this. The more you whisk, the better the frosting. Now the cream cheese I'm using today is Philadelphia. It's a nice firm cream cheese. A soft one won't do for this, and if you can get the blocks of cream cheese, even better. Now the thing to remember about whisking cream cheese is that you mustn't overdo it. It tends to go quite watery if you overmix. So I'll just beat this in until it disappears. Now for the icing sugar. This needs to be sieved and half in at a time. The first portion I'll mix in with a whisk, but before I do, I'll just squash it down so it doesn't fly everywhere with the whisk. Again, I'm only whisking it lightly. I don't want that cream cheese to overmix. And the final bit of icing sugar, I'll just fold in. This frosting can be stored in the fridge for a couple of days, but if you leave it any longer, it's worth putting in the freezer in a Ziploc bag, as airtight as you can get it. Then bring it back to room temperature before you use it. It's great to fill cakes with or to top them with. You can pipe it onto cupcakes, and it's a perfect match for my walnut cake. I'll leave you with a few pictures. Thanks so much for joining me today. Take care, have a great week, and I'll catch you soon.